Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see some B2 Schreiben examples. Okay, so Schreiben is writing. Now suppose you are giving this B2 German Goethe exam, then it is helpful for you because we are going to see here that how to write the two tasks. There will be two tasks given to you. How to write it, how to cover all the points, okay, and how it will be assessed. That we are going to see it here. So I will share one screen with you. You will find there some Schreiben examples, okay, B2 Schreiben examples. Now here, in this case, in Schreiben section, B2 exam, there will be two tasks given to you. In Teil 1 schreiben Sie einen Forumsbeitrag, meaning uh, here you have to write one forum post. Okay. In Teil 2 schreiben Sie eine Nachricht. And in Teil 2, Task 2, you will have to write one message. Sie können mit jeder Aufgabe beginnen, meaning you can start with any task. Okay. It is not mandatory that you have to start with task 1. With any task, you can start it. Schreiben Sie Ihre Texte in die entsprechenden text fields, meaning you will have to write the text in corresponding text fields. Okay. Wörterbücher oder Mobiltelefone sind nicht erlaubt, meaning mobile phones or dictionaries are not allowed in real exam. So we'll see one by one this task. Now this is trial 1 or task 1. Here if you see one plastic glass is shown. So obviously it is related to some environmental pollution. Sie schreiben einen Forumsbeitrag für junge Leute zur Verschmutzung der Umwelt. Meaning, this means here you will have to write one forum post regarding environmental pollution for young people. Okay. Now you will have to cover all these points. First one is, außen Sie Ihre Meinung zu Plastikverpackungen im Alltag. Meaning here, share your opinion on plastic packaging in everyday life. Then the next point is, nennen Sie Gründe, warum Plastikverpackungen so meaning your reasons why plastic packaging is so common. Then the third point is, nennen Sie andere Möglichkeiten, Dinge im Alltag zu verpacken. Meaning here, name other ways of packaging things in everyday life. Then the last point is, nennen Sie Vorteile der anderen Verpackungen. Now list the advantages of other packaging. Okay, so you have to cover all these 4 points. Now here, down, denken Sie an eine Einleitung und einen Schluss. Here you have to include introduction as well as conclusion. Okay. Now, how it will be assessed, that also we are going to see here. The assessment will focus on how accurately the content points are addressed, then how accurate the text is, and how well the sentences and the paragraphs are linguistically connected. Okay, so the evaluation or the assessment will be on these points, right? So you will have to keep it in mind, and approximately you will have to write this forum post or text about approximately for about 150 words. Okay, this is clear. In the text field, you can write it. Now, the second task we'll see, or trial 2. Ja. Sie machen gerade ein Praktikum bei einer deutschen Firma. Meaning here, you are currently doing an internship at a German company. Sie haben derzeit so viel zu tun. And then, dass Sie Ihre Arbeit nicht mehr schaffen. So schreiben Sie. Now, suppose you are currently you are so busy that you are not able to do your work. Okay. Now you will have to write here one message to your supervisor. Hen about. Okay. Eine Nachricht an Ihren Vorgesetzten, hen about. Meaning you will have to write to your supervisor one email message. You can say Herr Ebert meaning Mr. Ebert. Okay, so these are the points which should be covered. Bitten Sie Verständnis für Ihre Situation. Now you will have to write, please accept your understanding for your situation. Then beschreiben Sie, womit Sie beschäftigt sind. Meaning, describe what you do. Then the next point will be machen Sie einen Vorschlag für die kommenden Tage. Vorschlag is suggestion. So make a suggestion for the upcoming days. Zeigen Sie Verständnis für die Arbeitssituation in der Firma. Okay, and show understanding for the working situation in the company. Okay, that you understand what is the working situation, but still you are not able to uh, do your work, that you have to explain it here. Okay, and the same thing will be there, that it will be assessed and the focus will be on how accurately the content points are addressed, then how accurate the text is, and how well the sentences and the paragraphs are linguistically connected. Here you will have to write about 100 words, okay, for this text. And then the last thing is evaluation. We'll see here. Now here the assessment will be on these 4 points. Lastly, this is fulfillment, then coherence, vocabulary, and the last one is structure of the text. Okay, so this is clear. So this is all about some Schreiben examples for B2 level exam. And that's all for today, friends. And if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.